Hello everyone, I am Madhulika Sundare, Associate Professor in Physics from PGD College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss about N-type semiconductor and its thermal energy level derivation. Okay. Let's get started. Here, see on this diagram, valency band, consists of the intrinsic holes, and the conduction band, it's the intrinsic electrons. But here we have to check that the Fermi level or derivation for the Fermi level for the N-type semiconductor. Then what is the N-type semiconductor? When you are adding the pentavalent impurity to the intrinsic semiconductor, then it will form the Fermi N-type semiconductor. So here the donor type, it's a donor type, it will donate the electrons, that's why it is a donor. Here see on this diagram, this is our, I will show you, this is our ED, donor energy level. This level is donor. Intrinsic electrons will be in conduction band, but the donor electrons will be on the donor energy level. When you leave the temperature greater than the 0 degree Kelvin, it will emit the electrons from the, it will move towards the conduction band. So it will leave the holes on the donor level and it will go to the conduction band. We'll start how we will calculate the Fermi level expression for this N-type semiconductor. So here on this diagram, see here holes are there in Fermi ED, donor energy level, and in conduction band the electrons are there, the number of electrons. So here the number of electrons on conduction band, how many electrons are moving to the conduction band, the number of electrons on conduction band equal to the number of holes on the donor energy level. That one will equalize now. So here number of electrons in conduction band equal to number of holes in donor energy level in ED level. Okay, so you'll find out what is the number of electrons. Already you know in intrinsic semiconductor what is the number of electrons, concentration of number of electrons in conduction band. Already you know about it. How much is N equal to 2 into 2 pi m star kT divided by s square into 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2 e to the power e f minus ec by kT. This is the expression for number of electrons in conduction band. We have to find out number of holes in ED. Then what is the number meaning here? Number equal to total into probability. So what is the number of states here? We have to find now. Let's I am saying that ND, capital ND, number of, let's write here, number of holes in ED equal to total into probability. What is the total number of states here? I am saying here capital N D into probability. What will be the probability here? Then 1 minus f of ED. Already we discussed about this one, 1 minus f of ED. So let's solve this expression, ND 1 minus f of ED. Here for me we input here equal to ND 1 minus Fermi distribution 1 by 1 plus e to the power ED minus EF by kT. This is the expression. Now close the bracket. Now I will say here equal to, I will put this one x ND into 1 minus 1 by 1 plus e to the power x. I will take x equal to e to the power x equal to ed minus ef by kt. ND, just solve simple simplification only. 1 plus e to the power x minus 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power x. 1 minus 1 will be cancelled out. Then next term it will be, see here, equal to nd e to the power x divided by 1 plus e to the power x. Sorry. nd into e to the power x divided by 1 plus e to the power x. Then we can write this one as nd 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power minus x. Now we will put the x value here, nd 1 divided by 1 plus, what is the e value, x value here, x equal to ed minus here, but here minus x is there, that's why it will be ef minus ed by kt. Okay, but we know that already in concentration of electrons in conduction belt, we know that e to the power ef minus ed by kt is very greater than 1. So here ef minus ed is greater than, very greater than kt, and ef minus ed divided by kt is greater than 1, or e to the power ef minus ed by kt is very greater than 1. So neglect, if this is in this expression, if the e to the power ef minus ed by kt is very greater than 1, so neglect 1 in denominator. So neglect 1 in denominator. In a denominator, how much we will get now? We will get the number of holes. I am writing again. Number of holes in ed equal to nd into 1 by 1 will be neglected, 1 by only e to the power exponential term will be there, ef minus ed by kt. So nd equal to nd e to the power, we will get here ed, it will be inverse ef by kt. We got this much. So this is the number of holes in ed. Already we know about number of electrons in conduction band. So we will equalize both the equations. Now I will write both the equation, number of holes. I am writing now 2 pi me star kt divided by h square to the power 3 by 2 e to the power eh minus ec by kt equal to, how much here, number of holes, nd e to the power ed minus ef by kt. This is our equation. Now so just simplify this equation. Exponential terms I will give here, e to the power ef minus ec plus ef minus ed divided by kt equal to next terms, all terms I will write here Nd by 2 pi m star kt divided by a square 3 by 2. Not 3 by 2, it will be minus. Minus 3 by 2. So just simplify this one. E to the power 2EF minus EC plus ED divided by KT equal to ND by 2 pi ME star KT divided by A square to the power minus 3 by 2. So here I will take log on both the sides. So how much we will get? Here we will get 2EF on left side minus EC plus ED by KT equal to log of ND by 2 pi ME star KT by A square minus 3 by 2. Then 2EF equal to 2EF by KT equal to EC plus ED by KT plus log of this much, log of ND by 2 pi ME star KT divided by A square to the power minus 3 by 2. Then EF equal to, we got here EC plus ED by 2 into KT, we will divide here KT by KT, it will be 1 plus KT by 2, just multiply on right side, log of ND by 2 pi ME star KT divided by A square minus 3 by 2. This is the expression for Fermi level in n-type semiconductor. This is the expression for Fermi level in n-type semiconductor. Thank you all.